Arroz blanco con elote. A delicious Mexican salsas y garnishes recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 25 to 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 cups long grain white rice, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 4 cups hot water or chicken broth, a quarter piece white onion, 2 cloves garlic, a half cup water, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1.5 cups corn kernels, 1 medium carrot, 4 to 5 sprigs fresh cilantro. Step 1. Place the rice in a fine-mesh strainer and rinse under cold running water for 2 to 3 minutes until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and prevents stickiness. Step 2. Soak the rinsed rice in hot water for 10 minutes, then drain thoroughly and let it air dry for about 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Step 3. In a blender, combine the a quarter onion, 2 garlic cloves, a half cup of water, and salt. Blend until completely smooth to create your aromatic caldillo. Step 4. Heat the vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or a traditional cazuela over medium heat. Step 5. Add the dried rice to the hot oil. Sauté the rice, stirring frequently but gently, for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want the grains to sound heavy or like sand, becoming translucent and slightly golden, but do not let them brown. Step 6. Pour the blended onion and garlic mixture over the sautéed rice. Stir and cook for 2 minutes until the liquid has mostly evaporated and the raw smell of garlic is gone. Step 7. Add the 4 cups of hot water, or broth, the corn kernels, and the diced carrots. Stir once to distribute. Step 8. Add the whole serrano chili, the cilantro bundle, and the drops of lime juice. Taste the liquid. It should taste slightly oversalted as the rice will absorb it. Step 9. Bring the mixture to a vigorous boil, then immediately turn the heat down to the lowest possible setting. Step 10. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. If your lid isn't perfectly tight, place a piece of aluminum foil or a clean kitchen towel under the lid to seal in the steam. Step 11. Cook undisturbed for 18 to 20 minutes. Do not open the lid during this time. Step 12. After 20 minutes, check if the liquid is fully absorbed by gently pushing a fork to the bottom. If dry, turn off the heat. Step 13. Remove the cilantro bundle and the serrano chili. Cover the pot again and let the rice rest off the heat for 10 minutes to allow the moisture to redistribute. Step 14. Gently fluff the rice with a fork, being careful not to mash the grains, and serve warm. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.